Hi, let's see logical operations by using assembly language programming using Keil IDE. So this is a Keil Microvision IDE. You can develop embedded C programs and as well as assembly language programs by using this tool. So go project tab and choose the option new project. And here I am giving my project name as logical operations. This is my project name, and just by giving project name, click on save button. And this is a window to choose the device from different manufacturers. You can deal with any microcontroller supported by Keil. These are all different controller manufacturers including Philips, Motorola, Samsung, Synopsys, Honeywell. You can go with any microcontroller this Keil IDE will support. Now I am working with Atmel and just click on plus mark. It will show the list of devices from this manufacturer. From this list, just select your device, which is AT89C51, and this is after selection of device, then it will show startup code warning. The startup code which maintains all the default values of registers and memory locations. If you click yes or no issue with this. Now I am going with no option. So up to now you created a project with a specific target device which is from Atmel AT89C51, and to open editor window, go file tab and select the option new. This is the text editor which allows to write your program, and before writing program try to save this text file. Again go file tab and choose the option save. Now I am giving my program name as logical.asm. So this is mandatory to save the file with a specific language. Now I am writing program with assembly language, so you need to save the file with .asm extension. After giving your file name, you must and should follow this .asm extension and then click on save. Now my file is saved with logical.asm. This is my program name, and here what I am doing, I am performing logical operations between two 8-bit numbers. The first value I am taking into A register because accumulator will play the major role in the case of arithmetic and logical operations. The first value I am taking 45 into A, and the second value you can take into any register or any memory location. Now I am taking R0 register to take the second value. So these are the two numbers. This is my first number which is present in accumulator, and 67 is my second number which I took in R0 register. In between these two numbers you are looking to do AND operation. The instruction is ANL, which means AND logic between A comma R0. So it will give the result of 45H and 67H. So what may be the logical output? 45H is 01000101, and the second number is 67, which is 0110 and 0111. And as a result, So you already knows the AND operation. If you are doing AND operation between two binary numbers, so I'll come from LSB side. For 1 1 1 and then for 0 and 1, which is 0, or else we'll do this from here. Between 0 0 0 is the output, 1 1 and 0 and 0 and 0 and 1 0 1. So my output is 4 5 H. So by doing AND operation between two numbers, I got this result. So this result I am moving into some memory space 20H, saving AND result with 20H memory location. And then now I am looking to do next OR operation between the same two numbers, but A got affected with the result. Again you need to move the first number to A. Here R0 remains same, so no need to move again value with R0, because after result A is only affected. So R0 remains 67. Now you can do OR logic. For that O or L is the instruction to perform OR logic. O or L, A comma R0. This is OR logic between first and second number. So for OR logic, what may be the result? So 45H and 45H and 67H. So which is OR result is in between 0 and 0. 0 is the output. For 1 1 and 0 1 also 1, 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 1 1 and 1 0 1 1 1. So my result is 67H. So this result I am moving into next memory location from RAM, which is 21H. This is OR result. And again I am looking to do XOR operation between these two. So that I'll take the first number again into A register and do XOR operation between A and R0. So you know already XOR truth table is, if both inputs are same, output is 0. If for two different inputs, output is 1. And for 0 0 0, 1 1 also 0 and 0 1 1 and 0 0 0, and then for LSB bits 0 0 0 1 1 0, only 0 and 1 1 and 1 and 1 is 0. This is XOR output. Again this value I am moving into next memory location 22H. So this is about the basic logic gates and or XOR. And if you want to find out complement, means NOT gate, again take the first value into A register and apply complement operation. The complement instruction is CPL. So this is NOT gate result, and NOT gate result is For 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, this is 4 complement, and 5 complement is 1 0 1 0. So again this result I am moving into 23H memory location. So these are all basic logical operations through assembly language. The first one is AND gate, AND logic between A and R0. So the second logic is OR, and third logic is XOR, and fourth one is complement, which is NOT gate. To check this output, you need to compile this program. To compile, just select target 1 from project workspace window and click on plus mark. So it will show you source group 1. Select source group 1 and right click it and choose the option add files to source group 1. So which file you are looking to compile? Now file of type is ASM source file. Change this file of type to ASM source file and select your file logical.asm. This is my program name. So just select your file and click on add button. Now close it. So for confirmation, just click on plus mark. You can confirm that whether file is added or not. And to see the errors and warnings of this program, go project tab and choose the option build target. So it will show the errors and warnings from this program. Now I don't have errors and warnings in the program. To enter into debug session, just select debug tab and choose the option start or stop debug session. Now according to your values, so this is the memory window which is available here. Otherwise you can go view tab and choose the option memory window. So this window will open here. So now I am taking results into RAM memory 20H, 21H, 22H and 23H. And now to check RAM memory locations, type letter D. D stands for data memory, which is RAM memory from microcontroller, and give the address 20H. See, by default all these memory locations maintains zeros. Now click the cursor in program and press F11 to execute step by step. For first line I got A value which is 45 here, and the second line just press F11 to compare next line. 67 I got into R0 register, and then in between 45 and 67 and result is 01000101, which is 45 again. So press F11, I got A value remains same 45, and this AND operation result I am moving into 20H. You can find out your result 45 here, and then OR operation with R0. So by doing OR operation, you will get 67 as a result. So that 67 result I will get it into 21H memory location. And next again I am taking second time the value into A, which is 45, R0 remains 67, and now I am doing XOR operation between A and R0. I got result 22, which is 00100010. This result I will get it into 22H memory location because I moved this result into 22H. And the next operation is NOT gate. Again I am taking 45 into A register and I am doing complement operation. After complement operation, what will be the result? I think it is BA. So this BA result I got in next address of RAM memory. So this is a way to test all logical operations between two numbers by using